So you can also easily change out the theme of Microsoft Teams so that you can change around the look of the overall software. So this is only possible if you're using the desktop version of Microsoft Teams. And to change out the theme, what you need to do is you need to click on the three dot icon right here on the top, and then you need to go around onto settings right here. So once you go around onto settings, then you can see themes as an option, and by default you can see that this is bright right here. But if you want more like a darker look, you can go around and choose dark, and this is how it would look like, as you can see. So everything becomes dark right here, just like this. You can also go around onto the three dot icon, go to settings right here, and change it to high contrast right here, so that it is more like a neon look, as you can see right here. So there's different type of channels, and as you can see, like there's different messages, and all appear in a high contrast mode right here, where the background is totally black right here, just like this. But if you want to change it back to default again, then you can go around over here onto settings again right here, go to settings, and then click on default, and you get back the default theme again, which is the bright color. So that is how you can change out themes inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.